Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel learnElectronics India, and we are continuing with our basic electronics series. So today we are having a brief view on electromagnetism. So electricity and magnetism have a beautiful relation between them, which led the resulting of an generation of electricity. So the man we need to honor, the one of the famous people who contributed so much in this field, and the man I would say we need to honor is first it goes to Michael Faraday. So there are many other people. So Michael Faraday has this famous law called law of electromagnetic induction. So Michael Faraday's laws of electromagnetic inductions are considered to be the base for electricity generation. So the two laws of Michael Faraday are called as Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. So these are very simple to understand. So what does they say? If we can see this, so if I brief it in the statement, what is it? Whenever a conductor in the sense a wire is interacted, I mean cuts the magnetic field. We know that a magnet have an invisible magnetic field around it. So when this magnetic field is moved, I mean this magnetic field is cutting the conductor. Cutting in sense not physically cutting, it's interacting and moving back. So if you can see this GIF file where the magnet is moving forward and backward and resulting to produce what? Resulting to induce an EMF, resulting to see an voltage output from the conductor. So this is what Faraday's laws of induction says. Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction says the same way. And the second one is something like this. What we say is the rate at which it cuts is proportional to the EMF that is induced. Right. So we will see it. See, if you can see this GIF file, when the magnet is moving faster, the faster the magnet moves, the more bright or the more the bulb glows. So if you can see when this magnet is moving forward and backward, we can see this LED glowing, right? Yes. So today we are going to see two designs. So that is our design of the day. One is we are going to see how to make our own electromagnet. Followed by second one is we are going to see a simple generator model, and this is called as hand cranked generator. So come on. So the first one we are going to see is how to make your own electromagnet. So we need these following components that I just put it on the display. That are, you need a iron nail, some copper wire. You can get this copper wire some winding stores or any electrical stores, and a 9-volt battery, a connecting wire, switch. It's an optional, if you have, you get it, and some iron fillings or iron nails. So these are the materials that we need. So this is how an electromagnet works. So electromagnet is like when we give a supply to a conductor, when we pass an electricity through the conductor, the current this conductor carrying will resulting in a strong magnetic field around it, resulting in what? The iron which is owned, the solenoid is acting as a magnet. So when we don't give the supply, it generally be like an iron material. But when we give the supply to the core or supply to the copper wire, we can see it is getting attracting, or it pulls the iron nails or some iron nails or iron fillings. So that is how we make an electromagnet. So this is the model that I have done. Very simple to make. You need to take the copper coil and just wound it as such, and then just connect a battery to it, and you can see its effect. See, I have made a small video. Initially, I am not given the supply to the 9-volt battery, so you can see this safety pin is not getting attracted. But when I give the supply to this copper coil or copper wire, we can see this is getting attracted to the attracted to our electromagnet. So now we will see our second hands-on activity, that is hand cranked generator. So previously when we are discussing Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, so what he says, whenever this conductor is cutting the magnetic field, I mean when this conductor is interacted with this magnetic field, we can see an EMF is induced in them. So that is how we make this. We need a simple geared motor that we do in our hobbyist. So a small geared motor followed by some connecting wires and LEDs to see the output, and pen cap, like if you want to hold it, you need a pen cap. That's totally optional. I will show the materials now. See, these are some materials that we need. Yes. So this is something how it looks. When I rotate the gear motor, you can see this LED glowing, right? So the faster I rotate, the more brighter it glows. isn't it? So if you see this, when I'm rotating in the opposite direction, the LED is not glowing because the LED is a diode, right? So when we give an opposite connection, it's a reverse biased case. So that is why the LED is not glowing. Cool. So that's it from my side, and hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please like it. And if you have any doubts, put it in the comment section, and do share it with your friends so that they can enjoy this beautiful series. That's it from my side. Thank you.